So, good day everyone. We are going to demonstrate and present our inventory system designed to simplify and streamline product tracking sales by target businesses like Silverline Gadgets. So, let's begin with the login page, which ensures that only authorized users can access the system. So, this is the login page for our inventory system. It ensures that only authorized users can access the system, enhancing security and preventing unauthorized access. So, the login heading clearly indicates that this is the login section, and email address field is input box allows the user to enter their registered email address. It serves as the unique identifier for the user. And the password field is for entering the user's secure password. It ensures that access is protected. And the small checkbox for the Remember Me feature, if selected, the system can remember the login credentials for future sessions, making it convenient for the user. And the login button is the action trigger. Once the user inputs valid credentials, clicking this button will verify the details and grant access to the system's dashboard. So, after successfully logging in, the user is redirected to the dashboard page, which serves as the central hub of our inventory system. Next na.
So after that, as you can see, we have our products here. We have mobile phones, laptops, printer, and personal computer. As you can see on the top, you can see the total products and all the total sales. Next.
Kapag. Ako ba ako? Oh. So, sa gito, inventory management ba? Lo. Ako na lang, ako na lang. Ikuan ba, gato, asa man tong murag i-renew?
Update mo, update.
Umta ko.
Ako sa. So good day, my name is Stephen Suriaga. About this inventory management system, gadget name, quantity, price, and action. So let's go to the Adyo gadget. And Adyo gadget name, quantity, price. Andito ko ilagay kung ilagay ang mga gadget, kung ano meron sa mga product mo. So sample, laptop, HD. Quantity is 5, price 599. Add new gadget. So you can see laptop is the 599. Add new other gadget. Cellphone. iPhone. Quantity is 44999. So this is all gadgets na makikita nyo sa inventory management system. So, next, Presenter Batarsal.
Good day everyone, my name is Biol Patarsal. So, sa inventory management ay ito po yung purpose pag update. Wala ko saba sa gidre eh.
Hindi naman, okay man, di mo madungog.
Ha?
Ano ba eh? May dito sa nato ni.
Gina. So, my name is Biol Patarsal. Good day everyone. So, ito po yung purpose ng update saka delete. So pag pag nagkamali ka sa in-order mo, so pwede mong palitan ang item mo. So update, pwede mong i-rename. So sa gadget name, laptop, Acer.
Ha?
Laptop Acer.
Tisip?
Acer.
Ano?
Acer.
Ah, easy.
Acer ba Acer? So quantity is 1. At saka ang price is 12,000. Update gadget. So yun na po, na-update na po yung yung laptop. Napalitan na po ng Acer. So cellphone naman. Click yung update. Cellphone is for example Oppo. Quantity is 2. Tsaka price is 6,000. Tsaka update.
So, ako.
So that's for the update and delete. Thank you. Please continue.
So, let's go to the order. So, dito makikita ang anong nilagay sa inventory mo. Dito ang order. Laptop, Acer, cellphone, Oppo. Kanina, makikita nyo sa inventory pag update sa gadget name and quantity price. So, dito nakalagay, cellphone, Oppo. Pwede din nating lagyan ng iba. Printer. So, naglagay tayo ng isa sa inventory management system. Balik tayo sa order. So, makita nyo, nandito ang printer. Ang price niya is 7,999. So, ang quantity niya is sa atin. Dito sa cellphone Oppo, quantity niya to. And then the laptop is isa 1. So, subukan po natin mag-order now. Laptop is order now. So, 10,000 payment. Sample, 10,000 yung pera natin. Buy now. Ano kita ito sa receipt. Ito po ang receipt. X. So, makita order place successful. Sa cellphone Oppo. Order now. So, sample. Yung pera natin is 10,000. So, makikita dito on scene sa 4,000. Buy now. Pwede naman i-print, pwede naman i-mix. Order placed successfully. And printer. So, nakalagay piso contents. So, punta tayo sa dashboards. Makikita dito kung makikita dito ang total sales and total product. Ang total sales is 3. Total product is 3. So, punta na tayo sa reports. So, daily reports. Daily reports.
Ba, dia.
So magkikita dito. Order today. Total quantity sold tatlo. And total sales is tatlo. Dito so balik tayo sa reports. And weekly report. Walang dito available for this report. Kasi daily pa. So yun lang. So punta tayo sa customers. Add new customer. Sample name. Bewolf. Material. Pun. Save. So dito nakalagay ang customer list kung mag-add. Then balik tayo sa reports. So dito ang pangalan ni customer list. Then about sa issue po, yun lang. So by the way, my name is Stephen Saldariaga.
My name is Delaki Sardio.
My name is Biol Patersal.
My name is Jen Lloyd Taban Flores.
Yan lang po at maraming salamat.